continuous equations. So what are the things that we need for sketching a graph? Do you know that?
Y equals mx plus c.
Y equals to mx plus c. That is the equation, right?
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. So let's say we have this simultaneous equations. Y equals to 3x minus
What
5.
is y equals m plus c?
Y equals to mx plus c is our line of equation.
Is that a linear line?
Yep.
A straight line?
Yep.
Uh,
Okay. So we have these two equations, y equals to 3x minus 5 and y equals to 3 minus x. So in order to sketch a graph, first thing we need is the y-intercept, and second thing we need is the x-intercept. So now, do you know what the y-intercept is?
the line that touches the point that touches the y-axis for the
Correct.
vertical thing.
And the x-intercept?
Wait,
What about the
y equals
x-intercept?
0, I think.
Yeah,
Right?
that's right. Yeah, that's right. So for the y-intercept, x will equal to 0, and for the x-intercept,
Y equals 0 is the y-intercept. And then,
y equals 0 is for the
oh,
x-intercept. It's the
okay.
opposite, okay? So
Sorry, I got confused.
it's okay. So let's do it with these, set of equations in our mind. So if we say y equals to 0, then 0 equals to 3x minus 5. 5 equals to 3x equals to 3x minus 5. 5 equals to 3x, and 5 by 3 equals to x. Now this coordinate is 5 by 3 and 0. Then we find the y-intercept with x equals to 0. So y equals to 3 times 0 minus 5. Y equals to negative 5. So we have two sets of coordinates for the first equation. Now we do the second one. Y equals to 3 minus x. So when y equals to 0, x equals to 3. And when we put x equals to 0, y also equals to 3. So now we have 3, 0 and 0, 3. So we have these four coordinates, 2 for each equation. So we will first draw our axis. This is the positive y-axis. This is the negative y-axis. This is the positive x-axis. This is the negative x-axis. So let's plot the points. First point is 5 by 3 and 0. So let's say that's going to be somewhere over here. Then we have 0, negative 5. That's going to be over here. Then go back to 0, 3. Wait. Negative 5 is going to be over here. It's going to be down here. And we have 0, 3. So one is over here and the other is here. So let's mark these points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we'll just connect the points. So one graph is of the line of equation of y equals 2. 3x minus 5 is this, and then y equals to 3 minus x is this. So that's our graph for these two simultaneous equations. So now I want you to sketch the graph for 2x plus 3y equals to 8 and 3x minus y equals to 23. Okay, Jefferson, how would we sketch the graph for this set of simultaneous equation?
Find the y-intercept and x-intercept of both equations.
How do we do that?
So substitute 0 into x to get y, or 0 into y to get x.
Okay.
And we have to do that for both equations.
Okay, so let's start with the first equation. So we write what? 2 times?
2 times 0 plus 3 times y equals 8.
Then
3 times 0 minus y equals 23.
wait, just focus on the first equation first, then move on to the second one.
How many lessons do we have until I have my mocks in December?
So 2 times 0 plus 3y equals to 8, then 3y equals to 8. Now what do we do?
Y equals 2.5. I don't know.
8 by 3, just keep it as a
Wait,
fraction.
2.25, 2.3, 2.2,
2.25, which is 2.3.
2.35.
Okay, that's fine. Then we put y equals to 0 and find the x-intercept. So that will be 2x plus
2x plus 2, 0 equals 8, and then 3x minus 0 equals 23.
Right. Focus on one equation first, then move on to the second one. That's 0, 2.3. That is one coordinate. Second coordinate is 4, 0. Now we do the second equation. So that's 3x minus 1 equals to 23. So if x equals to 0, we do 3 times 0 minus 1 equals to 23. So that's minus 1 equals to 23 and y equals to negative 23. Then when we do y equals to 0, 3x minus 0 equals to 23, x equals to 23 by 3, which equals to
5, wait, no. 12, wait, 6.3 something, 6.3.
6.3, okay. So this is 6.30. Now what's our next step?
I don't know.
Next, what we do is we plot the graph. So for plotting the graph, first step is to draw the axis. So this is a y positive, y negative, x positive, x negative. So first point was 0 and 2.3. So that comes over here. Let's make this 2.3. Then 4, 0. So that's going to be over here.
And that's line 1, right?
Yep,
That's the line of the first equation.
that's right. So we connect the dots. And that's our first equation. Now we move on to the second one. So 0, negative 23. So let's say negative 23 is over here. And 6.3 is over here. So we once again mark the points connect the dots, and our point of intersection is at this point.
What's so special about the point of intersection?
Point of intersection is basically the common point that both the equations share. That's what's special about it.
Is it needed for any other equations?
Yeah, we do in most questions. They ask you to find the point of intersection between two lines, two curves, or a line or a curve. It can be anything.
Oh,
Okay?